Hello po Virgo, Collective Sun, Moon and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for February 3 to Feb 9. So 3 to 9 po ang inyong reading for today. Na-pre-shuffle ko na po lahat ng cards gagamitin natin. So let's start. Itingin lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Use your intuition po para makuha nyo yung akmang messages for you. And thank you nga po pala sa mga nagla-like and subscribe. Malaking bagay po sa akin yan. Maraming salamat po sa support ninyo. At the heart of your reading, you have the Tower card. In the area of what you want, you have the Judgment. Kita ba? Ayan. Okay. In the area of what you need, you have the Fool. In the area of your recent past, you have the Magician. Wow, beautiful. In the area of your near future, you have the Two of Pentacles. In the area of your challenge, you have the Seven of Wands. In the area of your good fortune, you have the Seven of Cups. In the area of your advice, you have the Seven of Pentacles at Knight of Pentacles. So puro kaperahan, puro paggawa, pagsisikap, ano. And in your outcome, you have, wow, beautiful Ten of Cups, happily ever after card. Congrats in advance, mga Virgo, for your Feb 3 to Feb 9 reading. At the bottom of your deck, you have the Four of Cups. You trying to evaluate or re-evaluate or i-analyze yung mga nangyayari sa life mo ngayon. You want something new, you want something else. Ready ka na to take on a new challenge, ready ka na to accept, for example, a new job offer o kaya tatanggap ka na halimbawa ng offer from other places. Parang noon, hindi ka pa sigurado. Now, parang gusto mo na ng bago. Or a new love life for someone na ready ka na ngayon na makipag-commit with someone. Also seeing na whenever may dumating na opportunity or blessings, you should grab it kasi Four of Cups is about recognizing and realizing kung ano yung mga dumarating na blessings. At kapag hindi mo tinanggap yun o hindi mo in-embrace, it has a possibility na lumayo o mawala. So, tingin-tingin din sa mga blessings around and grab that opportunity for you. So beautiful bottom of the deck for you, Virgo. Let's start your reading with at the heart of your spread. We have the Tower, positive change within you. This week, napakaganda ng a card for you because it's all about transformation. Kung ano man itong pagbabago nito, probably sa work. I'm seeing you trying new things at hindi ka na nagko-control. I'm seeing you're not forcing things and you're embracing kung ano yung kung anong darating yung darating. Ganun yung nararamdaman ko sa inyo. The Tower is being clarified by the Three of Cups. Yeah. It's about your changes with your surroundings, probably with the people that you work with. Change mo na rin yung for someone, binago mo na yung mga taong nakasalamuha mo o mga group circle of friends mo. Parang hindi ka na muna nakikipaghalubilo sa ibang tao because you're very focused with this change. Alam mo na importante sa iyo na mag-focus ka muna sa isang bagay, kaya yung mga nakakasama mo before, hindi mo na masyadong nakakausap o kinikita kasi alam mo na busy ka and you need to really focus on these things. So I'm seeing you very dedicated with this positive and beautiful transformation in your life at wala ka munang time to really deal with some leisure o gimmick o halimbawa wala kang oras para maupo saglit at makipagkwentuhan o merong magyaya, hindi ka muna sasama because alam mo na may kailangan kang pagtuunan ng pansin. Akyat po tayo sa inyong area ng conscious and subconscious. In the position of what you want, you have the Judgment. Gusto mo na ng something new, gusto mo ng matauhan, gusto mo ng katotohanan, gusto mo na ng teka, para saan ba to? I'm seeing someone gusto mo na ng purpose in life. You want a result about kung ano tong pinagkatrabahuhan mo, kung ano tong pinagsusumikapan mo at pinaghihirapan mo. I'm sensing you are really tired na with a lot of things. Probably pasok ang trabaho araw-araw or sa school o kaya sa trabaho mo na parang feeling mo nababurnout ka na and gusto mo na ng something na parang aahon sa'yo from that pit na sadlakan mo na nahihirapan ka. So this is what you want, no? Parang a savior, someone will give you like an answer or like an assistance, So know that you are guided by Archangel Gabriel. Andito siya sa iyo at ikaw ay protected, ikaw ikaw ay ginagabayan niya. So, relax ka lang, darating din yung awakening o yung parang light bulb moment na sasabihin niya sa iyo kung kailan at paano. So, the judgment is being clarified by the strength card. Yes. Burnout ka na, pagod ka na, pero laban ka pa rin. You've been very resilient on a lot of things. You want change, you want something new. Gusto mo talaga may aahon sa'yo sa bagay na to. Yun yung something na gusto mo. In the area and position of what you need is the Fool. You need a brand new start. Do it now. That's what I'm hearing. Do it now. If you feel like it, do it. If you want to start something new, probably a new job o kaya negosyo, nagsisimula ka magnegosyo o halimbawa may gusto kang puntahan and nagdadalawang isip ka whether kaya ko ba o may pera ba ako dyan o may patutunguhan ba o positive ba ang mangyayari doon. Know that in the Fool card sa area ng what you need to do, kailangan mo to mag-take risk, kailangan mo sumugal, kailangan mong mag-take chance sa mga bagay na gusto mong i-try. So the Fool is being clarified by the King of Pentacles. Kung ano mo ito bagong sisimulan mo, ito para sa iyong kinabukasan, para something na something na pangmatagalan, yung talagang bubuo sa foundation na gusto mong gawin, sa goal mo. So, ito ay para sa iyong kinabukasan ng mga anak mo, na family mo. If you are, I'm sensing for someone, this is very specific. If you are trying to move abroad, to be an OFW, this is like an confirmation for you. Sige, try mo, take that risk kasi pang matagalan to, para sa pamilya mo to, para sa kinabukasan ng mga anak mo. If this is about a job that iniisip mo na teka, katanggapin ko ba yun o a-apply ba ako doon, do that job, do that initiative, go, kasi the Fool is about you taking risk, having that brave pagkilos sa sarili mo, because ang pupuntahan mo naman is something para sa kinabukasan mo. So have that sugal. Isugal mo yung tsansa. Hindi po literal sugal ha. I'm not telling you to gamble. Sugal na taking risks. Okay? In the recent past, you have the Magician. Meron kang mga tinrabaho na in the past, you manifested a lot of things. Nakafocus ka sa mga bagay na gusto mo mangyari, gusto mo matupad, trabaho, o gusto mong buuin yung bahay, finally, makabili na ng kotse, makabili na ng bahay. You worked hard on achieving the things na gusto mong mangyari. So the Magician is being clarified by the Hermit. Yeah. Lumayo ka na sa mga friends mo eh. Parang nag-isolate ka eh. I'm sensing someone trying to do things on their own. Nag-solo ka din sa bagay na to. Parang okay, ako gagawa nito, kaya ko to. Hindi ko kayo isorbohin. Kaya ko tong slohin, kaya ko gawin. Tayo mga Virgo po kasi ako eh. So tayong mga Virgo, ganoon tayo eh. We do things on our own. Kasi bago pa natin siya gawin, napagplanuhan na natin siya. So yung bawat step alam natin gagawin. So kapag may ibang taong dumating at natulong, nagugulo yung plano natin eh. So we always do things on our own. At ganoon dito sa nangyari sa'yo in the past. You did things on your own. And you're happy doing things on your own terms. Hindi ba? So that thing na nagawa mo made a brand new change, a transformation sa iyong life. At you no longer associate yourself with other people na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa iyo with this goal. In the near future, you have the Two of Pentacles, restoring balance. I'm seeing you working hard and playing hard. Kung masyado ka po nagkatrabaho with this new change, kung ano mo itong pagbabagong hatid sa inyo sa buhay nyo ngayon, this week, Feb 3 to Feb 9, there will be a need for you to restore that balance. Kung nagkatrabaho ka masyado, relax ka naman paminsan-minsan. Learn to enjoy things. Learn to go out and be with your friends o uminom. I know I've said here na iniiwasan mo muna yung mga tao na malapit sa'yo. You changed, hindi ka muna sumasama. But this is on the area of transition. Sa panahon ng transition. In the near future, dahil natrabaho mo na yung dapat mong trabahuhin sa transition na to, you need to also to relax na and enjoy that harmony. May harmony na sa'yo at sa ibang parte ng buhay mo. So that Two of Pentacles is being clarified by the Nine of Cups. Kung napaparoon nyo po yung reading ko ever since, pag lumalabas ang Nine of Cups, pause and make a wish, because Nine of Cups is about wish fulfillment. So wish po muna kayo now. Kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari, gusto mo matupad, make a wish. Okay? So the Nine of Cups is confirming Two of Pentacles. Lahat ng hilingin mo matutupad. basta meron kang balance sa life mo, learn to balance things so that lahat ng gusto mo ay manatili sa kamay mo, manatili sa buhay mo. Because if you're focusing on work, ang magkasuffer dyan yung health mo or your time with your family. If you have too much time with your family, magkasuffer naman yung focus mo sa work. So learn how to have that balance para ma-fulfill ka sa mga bagay na gusto mo makuha sa'yo. Okay? In the area of your challenge this week, Virgo, you have the 7 of Wands, you protecting your peace, protecting, giving boundaries to other people. I know you have worked so hard, you wanted a lot of things, trabaho mo, nagkaroon ng pagbabago, mag-restore ng balance, pero ang challenge sa iyo ay ipanatilihin yung fence mo o yung bakod mo with other people. Okay? Para say no if you don't want na gawin to, say yes kung talagang sa loob-loob mong gusto mo, learn to voice out kung halimbawa sa pakiramdam mo hindi mo kayang gawin o gusto mong gawin. Learn to say no kapag may lumapit sa'yo maniligaw, o kaya ayaw mo talaga sa taong yun. Be frank, say no if you want. Virgo ka very very sure tayo sa nararamdaman natin pero nahihirapan tayo minsan i-voice out yun. Kasi we're very gentle. Ayaw natin na namamahiya o ayaw natin ng alam yun, nag-let out ka ng no to someone. Pero we're very frank in ourselves, our minds, no? So the 7 of Wands is being clarified, but the 6 of Wands, being victorious on that part, challenge sa'yo is to really work on the things na importante sa'yo rather than dealing with other people that are toxic. So magkaroon ka ng bakod doon para alam mo kung ano lang dapat ka mag-focus at saan hindi. So ang ano sa'yo ay yung ibang tao talaga. Because this is a victorious card. 6 of Wands, yung mga tao na inggit sa'yo, mga tao na asisiraan ka o may ibang sasabihin behind your back. So put that bakod o space between you and other people. Boundaries ang kailangan mo. In the area of your fortune, you have the 7 of Cups. Options. Nasa area siya ng good news o ng fortune. So good dito. Marami kang options, marami kang pwedeng gawin. Kung halimbawa itong bagay ito ay pagod ka na dyan at hindi na nag-work sa'yo, you have other places or other things to do na magaling ka. Virgos are very, very systematic or very perfectionist to the T, di ba? Very practical tayo. Basta pag-aralan natin isang bagay, kaya natin siyang gawin, kaya natin siyang i-improve. We are masters of a lot of things, basta iput lang natin yung heart natin So kung ano man itong gusto mong bagong simulan, do it because may potential siya. Okay, the 7 of Cups is being clarified. By the 5 of Cups, forget mo na yung ibang bagay noon. Try mo tumingin into a bigger picture. Tignan mo na malawakan yung buhay mo o yung paligid mo para mahanap mo kung ano yung best option sa pwede mong gawin na magbibigay sa iyo ng great results, whether sa pera o sa personal o sa love life. Kung naghahanap ka ng pag-ibig pero sa tingin mo hindi mo mahanap, just look on the bigger picture. Tignan mo yung paligid mo. Baka andyan lang yung taong para sa'yo. Hindi mo lang nakikita because you're very busy on your different options, on your standards, diba? So, have that gratitude mindset and look around, Virgo. In the area of your advice, you have the 7 of Pentacles at saka Knight of Pentacles. The advice sa'yo ng Divine is nabobore ka na dun sa mga goals o sa mga manifestations, sa mga bagay na feeling mo ang tagal dumating, na may delay, parang kailan ba, pagod na ako, ginawa ko naman lahat, bakit hindi pa dumarating, nasa na ba yun? And you're being advised to still continue planning and executing what you can. Exert every effort that you can. Kung talagang seryoso ka sa plano na to, seryoso ka sa goal na to, exert your effort. Plan meticulously. Huwag kang mawala ng pasensya. Know that on the long run, makakuha mo rin yung gusto mo. Kung talagang gusto mo siya, pagkisumikapan mo at hindi ka mawawala ng faith. Mag-focus ka lagi dun sa goals mo at makikita mo magbubunga yan para sa'yo. So the 7 of what do you call it? 7 of Pentacles is being clarified by the 2 of Wands, having that plan, that vision, unwavering vision. Piliin mo kung anong klaseng plano para at route ang kailangan mong isipin para makatungtong ka doon sa direksyon na gusto mo. If, for example, if you want to mount a social media account na gusto mo magkaroon, halimbawa YouTube channel, so plan ahead, take time to focus on this, araw-arawin mo, and have that concrete plan para magbunga siya, maabot mo yung goal mo o quota mo for halimbawa a week, kailangan makapag-upload ng ganito karami. Alam mo yun? Or for others, it's about you doing exemplary steps para magawa yung mga plans mo. And for you, para makita mo itong magbunga, kailangan talaga matino yung plano, maganda yung plano, at hindi ka doon maliligaw at hindi ka rin madidistract. Sa Knight of Pentacles, ganun din, no distraction, planning ahead, kahit gaano katagal, kahit gaano kalayo, siguraduhin mo nakafocus ka sa bagay na yun. Knight of Pentacles being clarified by the Hierophant. If you need help, sabi ng advice sa'yo, if you need help, ask for help, whether sa boss, sa teacher mo, kung estudyante ka, sa yung mentor, sa yung tutor, if it's a father figures, authoritative na tao na pinapahalagahan mo yung opinion at bosses, ask for their help. They have the wisdom to give you the proper advice kung paano paplanuhin to. Halimbawa, bibili ka ng kotse and you don't know when and where and how much you should give. Saan ka bibili, ko second hand ba o brand new? So ask someone na may maalam dun sa bagay na yun para sa'yo maplano ng tama yung direksyon ng gusto mo to get that goal, di ba? Before natin puntahan itong iyong outcome, napakaganda Virgo na 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, happily ever after card. Maputingin muna tayo ng iba pang oracle cards to add into the reading, mga advices. So the first card is number 5. Kung importante po sa inyo number 5, this card is for you. At kung nakakita po kayo ng bat anywhere, bat spirit, whether nakita nyo personal sa TV na pag-usapan, o nakita nyo personal, this message is a confirmation that this card is for you. A rebirth is assured. Wow, ito yun. Itong transformation na yun, a rebirth. You are doing something. But the full card, you need to try something new, do something new para ma-develop o magawa yung mga goals na gusto mong gawin. Sumugal ka so that the things that you want will come to you. Other messages, step out of your comfort zone. What did I say? The full card is really the exact definition of the Monology Oracle. The full is about stepping out of your comfort zone and trying new things. Kahit di ka sigurado, susugal ka to do that because that is the only way for you to see kung ano ba yung mga strengths mo at kung ano ba yung abilidad mo at ano yung kaya mong gawin. Sometimes you just have to try because you don't know kung ano yung mga possibilities na darating sa'yo, di ba? Other messages, you have the cleansing waters, purification activates vibrant life force. If you need to take a bath or sauna or something that will cleanse you, spa, massages, clear your mind para alam mo ko para maging madali sa iyo ang pagpili sa mga bagay na gusto mo, and to reflect also on a lot of things in your life para alam mo kung ano yung mga bagay na paparating, ano yung gusto mong goal na makuha, ano ba yung wala na hinahanap mo para pag dumating alam mo yun yung gusto mong kunin. So that cleanse, take time to take a bath or bathtub ka, mag-swimming ka, something that will cleanse para magkakaroon ka ng start over at some point, diba? Okay, punta tayo sa inyong outcome this week, Virgo. Feb 3 to Feb 9, you have the 10 of Cups, happily ever after. You having that happy mindset. Lahat ng bagay na gusto mo ay nasa iyo. Nakikita mo nag-i-improve yung pag-abot mo sa goals mo, whether sa job, maayos yung camaraderie sa job, whether sa love life, you're happy with your wife or your husband, your kids. I'm also seeing someone getting healed from sickness, you having this mindset na kahit anong masaya ako, maligaya ako, kompleto kami, having that gratitude sa mga bagay-bagay, magaan ang buhay para sa'yo. So congratulations Virgo. The 10 of Cups is being clarified by the 3 of Pentacles. You are very happy working with a lot of people, showing what you're worth and showing kung ano yung capable mo to do. Masaya ka sa trabaho, gawa ka ng gawa, to communicate and work with other people. Kung ano man yung passion project mo, masaya ka ginagawa siya kasi marami nakaka-appreciate with your family. Yung sacrifices mo for your family is being reciprocated with love and affection and gratitude. So this is a very lovely and beautiful week for you, Virgo. I'm very, very happy for you. Congratulations kasi it's gonna be a na harmonious and light and full of love and full of abundance para sa iyo. So, congratulations. Virgo, if you have reached this point, kung ano po, saan po kayo naka-resonate, please comment po kayo sa baba and I will be replying on your messages. Thank you again for all the likes, for all the love and subscriptions. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching. And for others who are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again po next week for your another weekly reading. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everyone.